Hey guys, and welcome to Vlogmas Day 2. Alright y'all, so y'all like my little ponytail? I decided to put my hair in a ponytail today, but today is Vlogmas. Hold on, let me open my curtains. Y'all, I'm getting ready to do a mukbang. My day started super duper late today, but I did complete the, let me turn on the light. I did complete the hot cocoa station. So I switched some things up a bit because the tier that I had, it wasn't working. So I'm gonna show you guys what I did. It's so cute. Here it is. Ah! Here is the hot cocoa station. So cute. So I picked these up. I've had these for a while. I picked these up from Home Goods, and then it has the hot cocoa in this one. I changed out the marshmallows. I saw these in Home Goods yesterday, so I picked these up. They're so cute. And then I picked up the little cookie jar, and it does have chocolate chip cookies in that. And then my little tray right here, I picked this tray up from I want to say maybe Home Goods. I've had it for a while, so I'll just say Home Goods. Then y'all seen the cup yesterday, Baby It's Cold Outside. I have some candy canes here, and I put this cute little bow on here, which actually came tied up on the marshmallows, so I just used it for the glass, so I thought that was really cute. And then the reindeer is from last year. I picked this up from Home Goods. And the believe sign, I want to say I found this at where did I get this from? I think I got this from Big Lots last year. And then y'all seen this cup yesterday, the Fa La La Latte. And that is my hot cocoa station. So I'm really happy with the way that it turned out. Oh, and the string lights. I told y'all yesterday that I picked the string lights up from Big Lots last year, but you guys can find them pretty much anywhere. I think Walmart carries them. So yeah, that is the hot cocoa station. So right now I'm getting ready to, well, first I want to go ahead and light my candle that I bought yesterday. And then I'll be using my little torch. I get so many questions about this little torch. Or I ordered this torch from Amazon for about maybe 18 bucks, I think. So I'm gonna go ahead and light my candle. This is my apple candle that I picked up yesterday. And Tony just filled this up, so here we go. The roses are still looking pretty. These are my long stem roses that my husband bought me for my birthday, so they look really nice. If you guys follow me on my mukbang channel, you guys know that I always like to have some flowers here and my candle, just, you know, so it'll look nice in the background when I'm doing my mukbang over here. Yeah, so that is it. I'm just gonna go ahead and cook my food and then set up and get this done, y'all. I didn't go to sleep last night until well, I had some trouble sleeping last night. I went to sleep at about 12 o'clock. Then I woke up at like 2 o'clock because I was feeling hot, and I can't really sleep like that. And y'all know I sleep with like a fan on the side of me, but for some reason I could not get back to sleep. I woke up at like 2 a.m. and I just stayed up watching YouTube videos. Before I knew it, it was 7 o'clock. So I'm like, oh my God, I have to try to lay down and get some sleep. I'm gonna be like a zombie all day. So I ended up falling asleep, and when I dropped Tony off, I came back home, got in the bed, and I fell asleep for probably like 3 hours. So I started my day off pretty late, but I feel okay now. So that's why I decided to put my hair up in this ponytail, because I really didn't feel like doing my hair today. I just needed to just, you know, look a little presentable so I can go ahead and knock this mukbang out. So that's what I'm getting ready to do. And I still have not found a topper for the tree yet. I know some of you guys were telling me to do like the little sticks in the top of the tree. I did that last year, so I was thinking about maybe like a bow or a star. I'm not too sure. I think feathers probably would look cute also, but I can't find any, and I didn't go back to let me turn y'all around. I didn't go back to Big Lots today because, like I said, I was like running behind. But I like my little ponytail. It's kind of cute. All right, so let me come in here. I have my crab legs in the sink, cleaning them, and I'm gonna put them in the pot. And I'm so hungry. It is 4:05 and I haven't had anything to eat yet. So I need to go ahead and get this mukbang out the way. I do want to let y'all know that some videos, if I decide to, well, because I decided to do Vlogmas, I do want to let you guys know that some of the videos will be short, some will be long. And I'm sure it's like that with a lot of us that decided to do Vlogmas this year, because that is a lot of work, vlogging every single day and not having a break. So I hope that you guys understand that some videos will be short, some will be long, but we're gonna have a good time regardless. So I'll see y'all on the next video.